We are from team Kasekor Chhlat Enterprise, providing a smart. We are providing smart solar dryer, modernized food drying processing to increase the efficiency of the post-harvest processing. Now, why we talk about the smart solar dryers? Because the 75% of outdoor training results are and safety and hygiene and controlling environmental almost all loss and taste and smell. 45% of phosphorus loss in Vietnam has increased from 20 to 25% of the fruits and more than 30% for vegetable. For Cambodia, vegetable losses has been reported higher than the Vietnam's. The small slaughter runs with electricity that is costly in Cambodia 50% and higher than other country 55%. And national and fourth is old model can dry only in the day times, while other drying products increase humidity and humidity during storage. The product values are smart solar dryer. The first one dry in agri product during the daytime and the night times, and prevent the product from the UV damage, block the ground moisture from evaporation at the night. Smart temperature control, which is digital smart temperature control, and also environment and animal protection aspects is our product values. Our value propositions: good riding, hygiene products, good service, and good price. Please enjoy the video. Smart solar dryers. You can see the videos, and our target customer is the dry fruits super analyst producer and dry meat and fish producer in some province around the Tonle Lake. Our sales strategy is we have the Facebook, Facebook page, website, and also have the sustainable AC agricultural cooperative in Cloberia, Long Thoms, in Siem Reap, and Champok, in Pong Spư. We have the cooperative with RUA, MAS, MOUs, and consulting company as well, and also provide the service provision and consultations for the selling cost and entire cost of products. We have 4 models: small size, medium size, large size, and so we have two types of the medium size. You can see the price depend on the drying weight of the products from 12 to 20 to 55, 50 to 75 kilogram, and 200 to 300 kilogram is very different. So as the experience, we sold around 50 units per year. For the testing product before the selling, you can have 22 days, and product validations of around 15 years. Okay. Our key digital or small loss widers. Now we have Console company and our son, and also our team in the Kasekor Chhlat also run business 4 years ago with a Thai solar dryer and have a lot of skill on engineers. For future expectation, be a strong solar dryer company in Cambodia, selling target around in the future around 500 units per year. What supports do we need? The first one is a good models that we want. It's kind of legal regulation for the registered companies. The third is financial support from the enterprise or for incubation. The third and fourth in the marketing strategy and the last one is the sale target of our companies. This is our team from Kasekor Chhlat, Mr. Race, Master in Engineering from Konkan University from Thailand, and Search Agricultural Engineering, also from RGS, Seri also from RGS. There are other technical knowledge from the views. Okay, thank you.